what's the problem we're trying to solve, right? And then, hey, is stablecoin the best technology or solution to solve it? And or could something else do it? And I think that's where sometimes people get really excited about a thematic area, right? Be it crypto or stablecoin or AI nowadays. But the key is, what are those use cases or problems that are really large and can add a ton of value? And then if we work backwards, how are these the right technologies or enablers for doing so? And so to your point, I think in general, but especially the last couple of weeks, there's a lot of attention on stable coins. And I think that's how I'm trying to think through it and actually talking to a lot of companies, but also a lot of potential end users, that what are these use cases, right? And ones that often come up are cross-border money movement, right? And then if we break it down, the question is, so in what corridors, right? Are those large corridors? Are they B2B, B2C? Which country corridors might be the problem? Is the problem technology, or is the challenge really regulatory, right? Because in a certain country, if you're wanting to hold US denominated stable coin, one of the first questions come to my mind is, can you hold a multi-currency denominated bank account, right, in USD? If not, is that sort of one of the big hurdles you're trying to solve? And so just think through it step by step and sort of identify where these sort of unmet needs are, and then sort of work backwards and say, is this technology, in this example, stablecoin, the one best suited to solve it? And things start overlapping a lot, right? Because I think people have been working on solving the cross-border money movement challenge for a long time, right? There's some great companies like TransferWise that are attacking this problem. There's also Revolut to some extent. You also have a whole generation of new remittance companies, right, that have targeted specific corridors or use cases. And then now I think you have a large number of companies that are building on top of stablecoin and blockchain in general to solve it. So then I think it's back to, do we think that is a large opportunity or market? To multiple people are trying to attack it, what might be the best way, or is it a combination of those? And then what's the best team we think that is going to solve it?